Welcome back everyone. In this lecture, we are going to try second example on how to write better prompts to get whatever you had in your mind into reality and into video generation. So this is the home screen of Invideo AI. Here we are currently on the home. Then we have our media library. We will cover this in a further lecture. Then we have plugins, which are voices, and our history. Don't worry, we will cover all of them in detail in our upcoming lectures. They are available on Discord, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You will be able to see histories and the export that you have already done. Now let us continue with our second example. So click here to create AI video. And again we are in our prompt screen. We will leverage the NVIDIA AI prompt Notion page for you to get started and get right off the bat. Here we are going to use our last prompt in the Notion page, which is create a 10-minute YouTube video about historical facts that no one ever believed. Make this video witty and historical accurate, as well as background music should be inspiring. And use a female clear American voice. So we are defining the time length as well as the topic that we would like with the introduction. Then we are defining the language and overall mode of our video. As well as we are clearly defining the voiceover, which is female clear American voice. And last but not least is this time we have added the subtitle or the caption for our video. As you can see, Invideo AI automatically generate captions and subtitle for your video in any color or any format you like. Believe me, by adding subtitle manually or caption manually in your video is completely a headache. But by leveraging the power of Invideo AI video creation, my headache is gone now. So let us copy and then paste it in our prompt section. There we have it, which is create a 10-minute YouTube video about historical facts that no one ever believed. Now click on generate video. Audience, we are going to select curious minds. Look and feel, which is inspiring, and platform YouTube. Now click on continue and wait for your video to be generated. Wonderful, we have created our video within matter of a few minutes. Now let us preview our video.
Have you ever wondered if there are events in history so outrageous they seem more like fiction than fact? Well, you're not alone.
You can see it is using a female clear American voice.
That can be more bizarre and intricate than the plot of any.
And you can listen the inspiring background music, and it has automatically added a word by word subtitle where the current spoken word is in yellow. Here you can see the word current spoken is converted into yellow captions. We have generated a YouTube video of 10 minutes comprising historical facts that no one ever believed. But one problem here is that these 10 unbelievable historical facts are generated in a random order or in a random manner. Let's say you want to use your own custom data or your own outline of the video as well as the script of the video. Well, you can do that in Invideo AI. Now let us generate our script by using famous AI tools. Let us use some of the famous AI tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to create an outline or a script for our video. Let us use this response or answer in our video script. So let us copy our ChatGPT script. We will copy all of these 5 points. Here click on this plus, edit prompt, and we will add a single line. Let's say, follow the outline. And then paste the script that we have generated from ChatGPT. And then click on generate video and wait for the video to be generated. The goal of this lecture was to let you know that we can use external resources such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Bard to give external direction to our videos. You can remember for our first example, we have inputted an external URL to validate our video. This time, we are validating the script by using ChatGPT. By doing so, our videos will be authentic and accurate. Now, let us preview our video. War on words. This event known as Great War. Okay, now let us check in our ChatGPT response. As you can see, our first example was the Great EMU War, and it explains how Australian soldiers were deployed to combat large flightless bird with machine gun, and it has accurately generated that particular video. And that's the magic of generating videos with Invideo AI. Don't worry, we are going to cover the magic box, the edit function, as well as the export in our upcoming lecture. Until then, I will see you in the next one.